So, we didn't want you to miss homemade sloppy joes along with green bean and tomato salad.
Barbecue sloppy joes.
Oh, barbecue sloppy joes. Green bean and tomato salad, because Kenna is trying to help me healthy it up. So, we have already blanched the green beans. In order to do that, we used frozen green beans. You can use fresh, right? Get a pot of boiling water, get it boiling, throw the green beans in for 4 to 5 minutes, and then pull them out and immediately put them into some icy water to stop the cooking. Pull them out earlier if they're a beautiful shade of bright green. And meanwhile, Ken has chopped some vegetables. He is browning hamburger, and I will turn it over to him for now. Or Blaine.
Hello, neighbors.
No.
I think we should start every time like that. Hello, neighbors.
Oh, hello there.
So, we got our meat browning. I'm going to double the meat, the double recipe for the sloppy joes. So, I've got 20 ounces of hamburger, 93%, $1.99 a pound.
Making meals better on a budget.
So what we're going to do now is I got the meat browned. Now we're going to put our filling in it. So it doesn't call for onions, but I like onions in mine. Plus I had extra onions from the salad we're going to make. So I'm going to throw the onions in there. We're going to take 3 garlic cloves minced. Toss them in there. 4 tablespoons of tomato paste.
Leftover from some other week. You know, if you keep this, guys, you got it in the freezer, you can pull it out. Meals on a budget.
Throw that in there. Turn this down a little bit. All right, so then we're going to add 1 cup of barbecue sauce. I've got honey barbecue sauce. Squeezable.
Oh, if only I had your phone, we'd boomerang that, because that looks fun. So 2 cups is how many ounces? Are you sure it's not just the whole bottle?
Pretty much what's left in here is going to go in here. So, I wasn't sure how much I had in there. I had a brand new bottle I was going to use, and I found this one in the fridge.
Yum.
So, we're also going to put 2 cups of water in here. I'm going to put our water in there. Then mix it all up.
Till it's hot, brown, or what?
I think I might have messed up here. I think I should have waited. I was supposed to do just the paste by itself before I put the water and the barbecue sauce in it. Oh well. Because you gotta let it get to a dark red or until it's fragrant.
So, if you want to see the replay of this, go YouTube. It'd be great if you'd subscribe to that. We are making meals better, K&D Wellick Peterson. If you just want the recipes, go to nowgetgoing.com and sign up for the recipes. I send them out Thursday afternoon. We're also looking at doing making meals better on a budget, so watch for tips on that. Yes, dear.
So while we do this, we're gonna get our dressing going. So we got our couple tablespoons of onions or shallots.
Lindsay, we used onions, but the recipe said shallots. So there's a difference, I'm sure.
1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Denise's favorite.
It's so good for you. Condition your hair with it too. We probably got it out of the bathroom.
Nope, it was in this fridge. So what I'm going to do is just let the onions marinate right now while I converse with my recipe here. Stir up the meat here.
That was a lot of water.
I'm doubling the recipe, dear. You gotta let it boil down.
Oh, okay.
You got the shallots or the onion
In vinegar.
in the vinegar. So now we got to take the blanched green beans, the tomato, the mustard.
How much mustard?
How much mustard? Well, we'll mix some mustard in first. Mustard, honey Dijon mustard, 1.5 tablespoons. Oh, that's a squeezy cap. There's water going on.
Squishy.
There's one. There's a half.
This is gonna be delicious.
So we got that going. We're gonna take our tomatoes.
1 tomato?
I do one
That's
tomato.
gross.
Oh, then you put it back in the bowl. One tomato.
Say make sure you lose all the ice cubes.
They're gone.
Here's our blanched green beans.
Take our green beans, chuck them in there.
Oh my god, doesn't that look delicious? Use a fork. It's starting to do something.
Starting to break down a little bit.
Seriously. Yum, yum, yum. That's gonna be delicious.
Pika sushi.
He only wants the hamburger. He's not my usual video bomber. No, usually Bing's a video bomber.
You want to smell that? Smells pretty good from my view.
Did y'all notice that was just tomato?
It's got a good flavor.
Flavor. Does that mean it's too spicy?
Get that mixed up really well. All right. There's our salad. Tomatoes, shallots, green beans, honey Dijon mustard, and apple cider vinegar. Mama!
That says Dijon mustard white wine. It doesn't say honey mustard. Okay, what your recipe says and what
Well,
the
this one
bottle
said whole.
says.
This said whole grain, so you got the wrong stuff.
Somebody did not tell me enough explicit. Okay, so we're just waiting for that to boil down.
Just
Is
waiting for that to
anything
boil
else
down. No, that's it.
All right, then.
Done.
All right, then. We're going to wait for that to boil down. We'll shoot you a picture. If you want to get on the email list, be sure you go to nowgetgoing.com and sign up. We send out the recipes every Thursday.
Thank you for coming to my neighborhood.